Hey there, my name's Raymond. Welcome to my gig. If you're looking for YouTube thumbnails for your YouTube video or YouTube videos, then you've come to the right place. Basically, I know how hard it is to make YouTube thumbnails for yourself or to not even know what type of YouTube thumbnail you need for your video or videos. So that's why I made this gig, so I could help you out with designing your YouTube thumbnails for your channel. I make the best YouTube thumbnails. I've been making YouTube thumbnails all day, every day for about 3 years or so. And I've made literally all types of channel thumbnails: kids, gaming, family, fitness, lifestyle, beauty, vlogging, entrepreneurship, literally all types of channels. Click to the right of the video to see some thumbnails that I've recently made and scroll down on the page to see some reviews of my work. I also make the thumbnails in about 24 hours or so pretty fast, with the source file included and for commercial use, as well as unlimited revisions. Alright, so in case you're interested, I also have different types of long and short-term dealings with my clients. I've been working with some clients for about 2 to 3 years on a daily basis. Literally, they just send me the video and I know what to do, so I just send them the thumbnail back really quickly. So feel free to place your order now or just message me in the inbox regarding any questions you might have.